Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share some things about the Canadian tax system that I wish I had known when I first arrived in Canada. If you are a newcomer, international student, or work permit holders, this video will help you understand how taxes work here and why filing is actually important, even if you think you don't owe anything. One of the biggest misunderstandings is thinking taxes depend on citizenship. In Canada, taxes is based on residency, not citizenship. That means even if you are not a citizen, or even if you are only here temporarily, you may still have to file a tax return. For tax purposes, you are usually classified as a resident, non-resident, or part-year resident. This is especially important for newcomers, international students, and people who move in or out of Canada during the year. Canada uses a self-assessment system. That means you calculate your own income and tax when you file, and the Canada Revenue Agency reviews it later and may ask you for clarification or documents. Canada also uses a progressive tax system, which means not all of your income is taxed at the same rate. Only the portion of income in each bracket is taxed at that rate, not your total income. Another important point is that Canada has two levels of income tax, federal and provincial. Your final tax is a combination of both depending on where you live. Below are the 2025 tax rate at federal level and Saskatchewan, my province. So at the lowest bracket, federal plus provincial tax is about 25% in Saskatchewan. An interesting news for all of us is Government of Canada reduced tax rate for the lowest bracket from 15% in 2024 to 14% since July 2025, which leads to the effective rate of 14.5% in 2025. Unlike some countries, Canada tax individuals, not families. So two households earning the same total income can pay very different amounts of tax depending on how that income is split. For example, family A, one spouse earns $80,000, the other earns $0. Family B, each spouse earns $40,000. Even though both families earn $80,000 total, family A will pay more tax because more income is taxed at a higher bracket. Canada taxes worldwide income for residents. That includes employment income, business or rental income, capital gains, and other income like scholarship, grants, or tips, unless specifically exempt. Filing taxes doesn't always mean paying more. In fact, many people receive refunds or qualify for government benefits just by filing. Many government benefits are calculated based on your tax return, for example, GST and SST credit, Canada Workers Benefits, Canada Training Credit, Canada Child Benefit. And if you file your tax return, you also have the contribution room to invest to your registered retirement saving plan and first home saving account to grow your money without having to pay tax immediately. Your tax payable isn't just income times a tax rate. Deductions reduce your taxable income and tax credits reduce the tax you owe. Some credits are refundable and can result in a refund even if you pay no tax. Some examples include refundable medical expense supplements. This is available for low-income taxpayers with medical expenses or disability support. Canada Worker Benefits, which is a refundable tax credit that is intended to provide tax relief for eligible low-income working individuals and families who are already in the workforce. Canada Training Credit provides a refundable tax credit for taxpayers aged 26 to 65 years old who want to further their educations Multi-generation home renovations tax credit, a refundable tax credit for taxpayers who pay for renovations to create a secondary unit for relatives that are seniors or disabled to live with them. Preparing your documents ahead of time makes filing much easier and reduce mistakes. Before filing, you must have those things ready. Your SIN number, of course, all of the tax slip like employment income, insurance benefits, tuitions, workers' compensation benefit for etc. Receipt, all of your professional or union dues, donations, childcare expenses, and also your notice of assessment from last year. In Canada, you can file in three ways, either on paper filing, you can file the forms via this link, or through a tax service provider such as H&R Block or accounting firms, or you can also file online using a net file certified software, for example, Well Simple, with the link below. You can choose the method that best suits your comfort level. I hope this video helped you more confident about how taxes work in Canada. Filing your tax return is one of the most important financial steps you take each year, especially as a newcomer. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a smooth and stress-free tax season.